Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to clean the inside of a Tamron 18 to 270mm VC PZD lens. Recently I had this lens which had dust inside. I had to remove the front lens element, clean the lens inside, and then assemble the lens. In this video I show you how I did that. As you use the lens, it collects dust inside. Mostly the dust is between the front lens and the second lens element. Fortunately, it is very easy to remove the front lens element, so complete disassembly is not required. So in this video I show you how to remove the front lens element, clean the lens inside, and then assemble the lens. Before I will start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to clean the lens. For disassembly and assembly, I will use a PH30 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a suction cup, and a permanent marker. For cleaning the lens, I will use a brush, an air pump, lens cleaning fluid, microfiber cloth. For checking the lens elements, I will use a flashlight. If you are interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. I hope this video will be useful, helpful, informative, and adds value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my webshop. Links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. Also, in the description there is an update section. If I have anything to add to this video after the video has been posted, then I add it there. So I would highly recommend to check it. So, let's get started. This is the lens which will be cleaned. As we can see, there is some dust in the lens. Use a plastic spudger to lift up the front cover ring, which is adhered to the lens. Mark the position of the front lens element. It is calibrated, so it is important to put it back at the same position as it was there originally. Remove the screws. Remove the filter holder ring. Use a suction cup to lift up the front lens element. Hold the lens downwards and clean the inside of the lens with a brush and an air pump. Check the surface of the lens with a flashlight to make sure it is perfectly clean. If the lens is not clean, then clean it with lens cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Check the surface of the lens with a flashlight to make sure it is perfectly clean. Store the lens downwards and continue with cleaning the front lens element. Clean the side of the lens with a brush and an air pump. Check the surface of the lens with a flashlight. If the lens is not clean, then clean it with lens cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Check the lens again with a flashlight. If the lens is perfectly clean, then assemble the lens. Put back the front lens element and align the marks to make sure it is at the same position as it was there originally. Clean the filter holder ring with a brush. Put back the filter holder ring. The white mark on it should be aligned with the front of the lens. Put back the screws. Put back the cover ring. Push it with a microfiber cloth to make sure it is adhered well. Clean the front lens again if needed. Now the lens is perfectly clean. I hope this video was helpful, useful, informative and added value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation or buy a camera or lens from my webshop. Links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching and looking forward to meet you in one of my other videos.